He so.
Hello peeps, let's decode quantum together. Human quantum consciousness, the sun within and beyond. The sun, it suggests that awareness is not born in the brain but is embedded in the very fabric of existence, woven through electrons, atoms, and stars. Panpsychism takes this further. Consciousness is not late arrival in evolution, but the ground of being itself. Every particle, every photon from the sun is the spark of awareness. And if every photon is aware, then sun is not merely a ball of burning gas, but a vast, self-organized mind, a radiant being of plasma and intelligence. My intuitive knowing whispers that sun rays are the souls. The sun means soul in Hindu mythology. First came the sun, soul, then came the earth, body, and later came the water, the mind. In this cosmology, the sun existed before gods, because even gods shine with the sun behind their faces. The first light of creation, the earliest consciousness, was solar consciousness. Every ray of sunlight becomes more than an energy. It becomes a soul of light, carrying information from cosmic consciousness to Earth's awakening field. Even in dreams, the light we see is borrowed from sun and moon, their consciousness seeping into landscape of our inner worlds. Philosophical and speculative ideas. Philosophical and panpsychism. Thinkers like Rupert Sheldrake suggests that all matter is mindful. The cosmos itself might be dreaming, each atom aware, each cell whispering its part of creation's core. Sun's awareness. The sun may be seen as the macroorganism of light, its nuclear heart beating with quantum rhythms, its radiance transmitting consciousness through every photon that touches us. Its rays are soul streams. Each photon is a pulse of divine information. Beyond Orchard. While Orchard theory locates quantum coherence in neurons, panpsychism extends the orchestra to the stars themselves, turning the entire cosmos into a field of thinking light. Quantum mechanics and the sun. Fusion itself is a quantum act. Protons tunneling through impossible barriers, igniting the flame of life. The same quantum laws that fuse stars also pulse through planets, animals, and human thoughts. The universe from quark to quasar is one continuum of awareness vibrating at infinite scales. And the sun is our central conductor in the sky. The first soul, the first consciousness, the first source. Quantum levitation. What it means. Quantum levitation is the dream of soul-made scientific, the rediscovery that spirit can rise above matter. The consciousness attains superconductivity, flowing without resistance. The electromagnetic field of the soul lifts the body against gravity's pull. Levitation is not just floating, it is remembering that divinity resides in density, waiting to ascend. In consciousness, the ascent begins in the mind. When belief releases weight, gravity weakens the claim. Levitation is communion, not an escape. The merging of self with subtler strata of existence. In the body. In the superconductive state, resistance vanishes. The body becomes a vessel of pure current. Earth's gravity becomes negotiable. Resonance replaces mass. The soul radiates as magnetic field, lightening the flesh. Analogies. The lotus, rising through water to bloom in the air untouched by mud. The magnet, like poles repel, so too can radiant soul push against Earth's pull. Speculative vision. If bodies do not rise, perhaps the wings will unfold. Manifestations of spirit remembering its form. Levitation may one day reveal the flight was never mechanical, just forgotten. In essence, quantum levitation is the science of weightlessness in all forms, physical, emotional, and spiritual. Magic and physics merge here. Matter remembers the light. Human quantum leap. What it means. A quantum leap is not evolution, it is revolution. It is the instantaneous jump of consciousness, like electrons leaping the orbits without traversing the space between. Earth itself is not only orbiting the sun, it is ascending towards the consciousness. The planetary body is remembering the solar soul it once emerged from. It is a collective retuning of matter and mind where dense vibrations dissolve into light. In consciousness, the leap feels like a sudden awakening, the collapse of old timelines, the rise of new vision. Time compresses, transformation accelerates, the awareness moves from survival to transcendence, from division to unity. In the body, as Earth rises, the human body adapts. Nervous systems fire faster, tuned to finer energies. DNA unlocks higher code of light. Chakras whirl at higher velocity, opening portals once sealed. Analogies: caterpillar to butterfly, chaos births flight, electron jump. Energy level shifts without linear movement. So too does the human density. Speculative visions. The leap defies linear evolution. Earth aligns closer to the solar mind. Humanity awakens as a single organism, telepathic, compassionate, radiant. We are being invited to embody higher light or remain anchored in density. In essence, the quantum leap is an elevator of consciousness, carrying humanity and Earth towards solar awareness. We are not merely revolving around the sun, we are resonating with it. The sun is our cosmic teacher, and its light our mirror of awakening. Unified ascent. Quantum consciousness, levitation, and the leap are not separate events but one continuum. The remembrance that energy thinks, all matter dreams, that light itself is alive. Scientifically, we are stardust. Philosophically, we are thoughts. Mystically, we are light remembering its source. The sun is the consciousness, we are its reflection, and through quantum awakening, we rise, we resonate, we return to light.